Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another quick video this time. I am out here in the Maldives, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on my FTMO account as I did start trading on it. So I'm going to be talking about my trades week commencing 9th to the 13th, I believe, which is last week. I haven't traded since Thursday last week, so I'm just going to give you guys a quick update on my FTMO account. So the day that I actually started trading on my funded account was the 5th of November. So it's been about a week and a half since then. 10 days to be precise. So it's been 10 days since I've had it. I haven't traded much on it due to me being in the Maldives, but I did trade a bit, so I'll show you guys the progress that I have made for the trades that I did take whilst I was on holiday. So right now my equity is sitting on about 104,000, so I made about 4% gain on the account so far. That's within 10 days, I'd say. Less than 10 days. And just to give you guys a bit of a breakdown of my win rate so far is 51%. I've used about 113 lots and I've taken 112 trades. And the reason for that is I've taken a lot of small trades. So just to give you guys a breakdown of the 5 top trades that I took on this account and what have got me to the 4%, $4,000 increase is, sorry, I've got the notes here. So the first one I'm going to go through is the highest one, which is starting off with USD-CHF. So with USD-CHF, I caught 102 pips on this trade, which was around $1,122. The second best trade that I took was GBP-JPY. That got me to $1,011. And I caught 106 pips on that. And USD-JPY caught 162 pips in total and got me to $968. CAD-CHF, which got me 58 pips and $643. And USD CAD, which I caught 128 pips on, and that was around $979. So that makes around $4,000, which got me the 4% increase. I haven't traded since last Thursday, so hopefully once I'm back from holiday, I will continue trading on the account and I'll keep you guys updated on the progress. So going on holiday isn't an excuse for you to stop trading. I still did place trades. I was traveling from Monday onwards and all these trades were taken from Monday. So that's one of the best things about trading, is that you can do it from anywhere, anytime, sitting in the Maldives, sitting in London, sitting in the aeroplane, wherever it may be. So you have that flexibility to make money simply from your phone or your laptop or your iPad. So I won't actually be trading on my FTMO account for the rest of the month. The reason being is I do want to see what the withdrawal process is. I'm quite happy with 4% increase for the month. I think one of the biggest reasons that a lot of people end up losing their gains is because they don't have a set target for what they're aiming for. I'm quite happy with 4% for the month. I'm happy with to withdraw that, and then I'll start off next month fresh and see and really reevaluate my targets and see what I'm aiming for December. I want to test out the withdrawal process because I've had a few issues with spreads at the moment. I felt like the spreads are quite high, especially on crossfairs. I've seen 20 to 30 pips spread sometimes, and even on majors I've seen like 10-15 pips spreads, which compared to other brokers is actually quite high. And really, depending on your trading style and the type of trader that you are, it can actually have a big impact on what you see on your MT4 and compared to what you're trading and what your setups are on TradingView. So for that reason, I may also have to change up my trading style to kind of deal with these high spreads and really just I'll keep you guys posted on how I manage that and how I deal with it. And let me know if you guys are having the same issues with spreads, because I don't know if it's just me, but I did contact FTMO about it, and they didn't do much about it. They said that it's just due to liquidity in the market that spreads are high, and they weren't actually able to help me with that. But let me know if you guys have had those issues as well. It usually happens to me during 9 to 10 o'clock UK time. The spreads go extremely high, like 20-30 pips, and then during London start in the morning, they'll go back down again. So yeah, I will have to try and find a way to deal with that. So far it has been good overall. Obviously we'll see how the withdrawal process goes, and if that goes well, then let's have a good December. I hope you guys do like the video. Give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.